Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. This is Mike Davyop and welcome to my channel. Ugh. Hello and welcome everyone to my channel. This is Mike Davyop. Yeah. It's been so long since I've made a new video for YouTube, and today we are going to open some Shopee items again. It's been very hard to buy items on Shopee delivered here due to the ECQ and pandemic, but it won't stop us from ordering things online. So I'm buying a Bluetooth speaker, and last week it came, so I just opened it today because it was quite boring, and today it's much more boring. So I thought of maybe why not I make a video again. Without further ado, I don't want to talk too much and lengthen this video more. I want to go to the main topic now, because most of my viewers, YouTubers and people watching using YouTube mostly don't watch the gibberish things. They mostly go ahead to the main topic, to the main event of the video. So that's what I'm always going to do on my channel, always. So without further ado, let's go into unboxing. So guys, this item was shipped last week and came into delivery. So let's go now to our main item. So I got here the Tablepro G2. So if you'll be wondering, Mike, you're already late for this product. This product already came a few years ago. Many people are doing some reviews about it, but for me, I haven't done any reviews about it. And it's before I always tell to myself, nah, it's kind of scam, fake. I know it's a rip-off of the JBL. They just copy the boxes, then just name it G2. Before, I saw this name as Charge G2. I saw videos online also pertaining to how it sounds, the type of drivers it has. It's kind of crappy, but for the price that you'll get, for those who are on a tight budget, I'd say it's fine actually. And aside from it, it's also small, so you can just carry it around. Okay, so it's actually very small. You can just put it in your pocket. Just make sure your pocket is big enough. So what are the functions of this? So you have mode key, typical China speakers. You have an FM radio. This is charged through 5 volts through micro USB. You have a USB Type A for flash drives to play music there, not for charging because this has a very small battery. You have a TF flash or trans flash. Well, today's standards it's called SD card, a micro SD card for you to just plug in and without using Bluetooth and save more power. And an on and off switch. Well, that's most of it. So let's unbox this one. In the box, you have here a I'm not good at these things. So you have here a micro USB charging cable. It's fairly fragile, so I don't recommend using this for longer periods of time. Just this won't actually last long. So if you have a Samsung charger or anything that is sturdy enough, this won't work much. It won't charge fast. So here's the item. It's wrapped only in plastic. I ordered blue. They gave me red. Come on. The seller. Well, let's just get into it already. Yeah, here's the back of the speaker. And up top, you have your mode switch. It says here that the mode key switch to Bluetooth, USB, aux mode. I've tried it, aux mode, where you can just go for line in. The T2359 has that, where is that? Okay guys, this came from the T2359. It has this, aside from charging, you also have this micro headphone jack to micro USB. So I tried it here, it works. So, but this one only came for charging. It doesn't have this special cable, so we won't be able to use its auxiliary in unless you have this cable. See, micro USB to either for charging and aux in. Then what else has here for aux in? Yeah, TF card, or no, trans flash, sorry, SD card and USB for music. Then for the next mode, you have Bluetooth and FM radio. So those are the three modes. Next is for volume up, volume down. You got it here. Volume down, volume up. I think you have to long press for music or volume, either way, vice versa. Then you got this, I don't know if you see it, that's the play and pause button. You can also long press it for calls, so, and also for scanning through radio. So let's try turning this on and let's see if what we can get from this.
Bluetooth mode.
Here's what it looks like when it's connected. The blue light stops blinking. So let's try playing some music. I don't know if my father's phone has an NCS track on it, so I don't want to be copyrighted by the tracks that I'm going to play here. I'm only playing this at 80% volume. Let's go 100%. Okay guys, so that was the Tablepro or Charge G2 Bluetooth speaker. So I only bought it for less than 200 pesos or even lower with flash sale. So what are the benefits you get from the speaker for the price? Well, I'm sorry. What are the benefits you get? You get some pretty nice sound. Well, I can also say it's nice. It's not as decent as any others there with bass because it doesn't have bass. It only has a mid-range type of kick from the bass. It doesn't have much of those tweeters. It's kind of a bit muffled also, and it's more on vocals, so it's a more of a mid-range type of speaker. It it also doesn't have that much bass. It's what you call this? It's shielded also, so you get a restricted movement of the drivers, but also for the price, it's also tuned to be more of a mid-range and have those very hard kicks around 180 hertz or even more for the bass. So is it actually worth it? Well, for an average person on a very tight budget, I'd say yes, it's worth it. But what are the uses for? You can't use it for longer periods of time with loud music. You can go, and if you go around 50% of the volume, it's too soft. But you can use it for your room if you're looking for a Bluetooth speaker that is cheap at that size. It's small, and you don't need something like my Sony XB30 that is fairly loud. I think that's a way to go already. The G2, Tablepro G2. I'll also provide the links down below so you can check it out on Shopee and buy it. what else? Aside from it, that's much it. I can actually recommend this speaker for you guys if you're wanting for something that is also portable at the same time. In outdoor environments, I don't think this speaker would last long because you'll be playing at high volumes because it's very loud outside. Is well, literally it's outdoors, and aside from it, it's made from very light plastic. You also have a handle here, so you can put it, use your finger or place it somewhere they can actually place. So like party, beach, well, small party, beach, for your room inside. You won't disturb your neighbors with this speaker because it's small and not for disco music, but I think this is more of love songs. Well, that's the review of the Tablepro G2 or Charge 2. So don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and comment down below any thoughts you want. If you bought maybe bought this or criticize or whatever you want. So guys, thank you and bye bye.